where the mind is without fear, where the world has not been divided into different fragments. So all the if they are not celebrating Dasai like Nepali, then they are poor in their culture. They have to operate because Dasai good. So we are rich. We are generous to adopt the culture. So that is the beauty of the Nepal and Nepalese people, sir. So I think it is not wrong. That's you raise the serious issue about war. War means, of course, let's avoid. But music and then this type of color, let's accept, sir. Let's accept, and one day it will also be the part of our culture. Let's be rich culturally. After all, Nepal is known as the multi-religious, yes, very much
multilingual,
multi-script,
multi-traditional.
Traditional, yeah, you are right, sir. You are right, and I'm really you made me aware also regarding this. But after thinking, I come into conclusion, giving value to your opinion. Also, I have come to the conclusion that I don't think it is bad to tell our students to create the to play with the color and the making rangoli, sir. That is not so bad, sir. I think we have to accept it, sir.
Okay. So finally, you do your one way, and I will follow my one way.
After in democracy, our country, democracy in Republican country.
But actually, democracy doesn't mean that. Democracy means responsibility, accountability, and meritocracy.
No doubt. No. Agreed, sir. Yeah, you are right. Agree that. But my question is, when people are happy with this color, then why we need to go up?
If you still are happy in the exam, do you allow that?
No. That is another point, sir. That is not cheating. What
they are happy in cheating.
Actually, it makes them creative, sir. Making rangoli makes them creative. They are creative. Look.
Okay, the cheating is also creative. They can cheat. They can cheat.
On it, I can't agree, sir. I can't agree. This is the different issue, sir. Different topic. Cheating in the exam and making rangoli. These are the two different topics. So let's not go to negative way to make the rangoli, sir. I hope you will value my point also, my opinion also.
Okay, that can be your opinion, but my opinion also that
not only opinion.
This is not our
right thing to
this
do
is not our culture. I just say that this is not our culture. This is imported
then
from
let's
India.
Be rich in culture, sir. Let's be rich in culture.
Yeah, we are much more rich. Our Newari, the community Newari, the unique group Newari, we have rich of culture.
Yes,
we are the richest people in the world. In a culture, we are the richest people in the world. No one does have this type of culture in the world. So we are rich of culture. You belong to the Aryan family, so you don't have any culture. You don't have any world. So you are talking. You never can compare with the Newari people.
Actually,
we are proud of. We have a lot of culture. Yeah, we are proud of our culture.
Actually, it's not good to compare any culture with any other culture, sir. Actually,
no.
Are you sure that Newari culture only is the best culture?
No, world number one culture. World's number one culture we have.
Let's not think that way, sir. All cultures are good, sir.
All cultures are good, but we have lot of culture here.
What
if you turn the page,
it may be its origin. Let's not compare, sir, culture. All the people are.
No. We have. Please, I will you to revise. You to turn the page of the Newari culture. So many. There are plenty unfold, unrivaled culture we have. Unrivaled culture we have.
Don't think that way, sir.
Unrivaled culture.
Confusion and war, sir. There is conflict. It starts conflicts. When Tamang said my culture is good, and why to compare?
No. Everyone accepting. As me is a tour guide. Every tourist
either
they are
accept
accepting.
all cultures are good, otherwise Newari culture only great. No, I don't.
No.
No, sir. No, don't say that.
The culture of Nepal is a culture of Newa. The culture of Nepal is a culture of Newa. Culture of Nepal is a culture of Newa.
Yeah, look. What culture you say this?
culture of Newa is the culture of Nepal. So many times I spoke 3 times.
No, sir, what is, you say this.
No, not
Belonging to
only
Newari,
me.
belonging to-
They're written in unfold,
Then it will be
unfold
rewritten.
pages,
Then it should
unfold
be
pages.
rewritten, sir, then. Of course, there is
In
a
the
great
history,
contribution of
there is
Newari people to preserve the culture. Of course, no doubt. I also agreed. They have made a great contribution to
Yeah.
promote the culture. Of course, but it doesn't mean that only Newari culture is the best culture. I don't agree, sir. All cultures, you can't compare and then tell that some particular culture is better than the other. It is a wrong opinion, sir. I can't.
You can turn many historical pages. There are so many pages, unfold pages. The pages describe about that. Even they are accepted by the tourist people. They know you have such culture. Yes, such fantastic culture you have. Tourist people also accepted. Everyone you talk, look. Oh, Nepal got the sovereignty power. That is because to the King Mahendra submit. Newari Ranjana script to the UNO. So we got the sovereignty.
No, you are right. They have accepted our culture, but they didn't say that Newari culture is the best culture. They didn't say that. They have accepted. They enjoyed here.
We are now the sovereignty people of Nepal that belongs to the contribution from the Newari
Yeah,
script.
that
Newari
also,
script.
contribution, you can say that. I also agree this. Big contribution actually, not a big contribution Newari people have played to make this nation rich in terms of cultures. No doubt, I don't. But you are comparing with other culture. That is my disagreement. There is my disagreement, sir.
I myself can say that our Newa culture is best
best,
and
again wrong, sir.
so
No,
rich
that's
of culture among the
No, sir.
all
That's
of the
not- culture
culture.
is not a thing to
They
compare.
only have 100 years old culture. We have
No, that's-
3,000, 3,500
Respect,
old,
value the culture,
35,000,
sir. Let's
more than
value and
35,000 old culture we have.
Rich, never is rich in culture. Of
E-
course,
Even
no
this Tokha, more than 2,500 years back
Fine.
culture we
That's
have.
fine. That's fine. We like it. We have to promote it. We have to promote it,
Yeah.
no doubt. But let's not compare
The European
culture to.
European people, American people, they have only the 100 years back culture.
Yeah, that is the great.
And if you have more than 3,500 back culture, and we reach.
No, yeah, rich, of course. So you mean that I'm going against Newari culture? My disagreement is only there that you are saying Newari culture is the best culture. Why are you comparing? It is the very
Yeah, it's
fantastic,
comparable.
very much
It is
wonderful, very
quite
much
comparable.
great. You can say that like
No,
that.
no, it's quite comparable. It's
No,
quite
that's not
comparable.
culture cannot be compared, sir.
Yeah,
You have to
comparable.
rethink, sir. You
Because
have to know.
they have only the 100 years back culture. We have more than 3,500 years
That's-
back culture.
Who disagree that, sir? I'm not disagreeing on it. When you say it is the best culture, there is my disagreement.
Everyone say you are the
I'm
best.
not saying.
You say you are the best.
I'm not
I
saying.
say I mean the best, and everyone say me.
No. For
The
example,
same
you are
guy is
saying
the
like
best.
this, you eat momo, he eat momo, she eats momo, then so all are eating momo. No, there are no, not that. False analogies or false conclusion. Just because you like momo, that person 5-10%, you cannot conclude everyone.
I never eat mom. I never eat
Then-
meat. I never eat meat.
Then
If you like, I never object. You can eat,
Yeah,
but I never eat meat.
that's why, sir.
I never eat meat.
Don't say that.
I give up meat.
Don't say
I
that.
give
This
up
is the
tea.
best culture.
I
When
give
you
up
say that,
coffee. Everything I
create
give up.
conflict, sir. You definitely you create conflict when you say my nation. Okay, Nepal is a beautiful country. Nepal is the best country. If you say you are wrong, you what? Nepal is the best country. What?
Look,
Nepal is a beautiful country.
before 40 years back, in World Magazine Newsweek, there is written, Nepal is lonely destination in the planet, tourist destination in the planet. I didn't mention, I didn't write
Not
so.
only the Nepal is the only.
Yeah, they wrote in that way.
No,
Nepal
it
is
is
lonely.
into top.
Nepal is lonely tourist destination in the world, in the planet. Not only world, planet.
Even science tells that, sir, for timing it is truth. It may be, there are a lot of things yet to discover, sir.
Weekly news. that magazine belongs to international magazine.
Just because you have been practicing it since many years, it doesn't mean that it is right. For example, Sati Pratha system that was very much practiced in Nepali society, but it is no more.
Sati
here.
Pratha was wrong, so we have to eliminate that.
Yeah, then not all the traditional culture are right.
If anything wrong, we have to eliminate. Anything right, we have to accept.
Yeah, that is what I'm telling you.
Our culture is wrong in that way.
No, the Rangoli is.
How you define Rangoli is
It
right?
is beautiful. It is beautiful. That's why I'm accepting it.
It is artificial.
No, not so. So
It is made from the dyes, not by their own skill. And never mandala we written with the help of our own hand. And you look, they made so many rangoli with the help of dyes. They are not going to make themselves their own hand.
actually, that is for the sketching.
The skating, you can do that. Skating, yeah.
It's a sketch.
That's not their own creation. You have to create by your own hand. You have to create by own hand. This is one of the method of cheating.
No cheating, sir.
Yeah, cheating. Yeah. So someone made the script and someone followed that. That is the cheating. You are promoting for cheating to the student is okay.
Respected Jagdish sir, I think you have become an old man now because you are unable to accept the new culture. That's why I'm
This
sorry
is not
to
new
say that you are
culture.
an
This is
old man.
imported culture.
You have become old.
Import. I just talk about
What
the imported from India.
I wish many things are imported in Nepal. Then means we have, if you have money, you can have anything.
You reject, accept the Nepali product. Everything Nepali product, Nepali culture. If you everything you reject, Nepali product, Nepali rituals, Nepali culture, everything you reject. Why you also reject? You are not. You say you are not Nepali.
No, sir, I'm sorry.
You are not Nepali. You belong to India. You belong to America. You belong to somewhere.
No, sir, no. We are rich. Actually, as a Nepali, I want to be rich, and then and let's be more rich regarding culture, sir. Regarding culture and celebration, it is better.
One thing also, again I would like to revise that. Before 40-45 years in Newsweek, there is written Nepal is a lonely destination, tourist destination in the planet.
Okay, that's fine.
They are written.
That's fine.
Because everyone accept this. They are so much happy traveling here. The tourist people, not only from the Europe, America, from Australia, around the world, they are much more happy because they can heal each and every disease while trekking here.
Our talks is going on different directions, sir. We are talking about the Rangoli. To conclude, sir, let's not make this talks long. In conclusion, there is nothing wrong to make Rangoli, and students are not doing anything wrong to make the Rangoli with the help of what did you say? What did you say with the help of?
Okay, suppose you have much more money in your own pocket, and if you are borrowing money from others is good? No. If you don't have any culture, we can borrow from others. We ourselves we won't have so many cultures, so many Guru people, they have different culture.
Let's accept one more culture. Let's accept one more culture.
We have plenty of culture, Nepali
Then
culture.
one
We have
more.
plenty of,
What's wrong? Then
plenty.
one more, sir.
And these are
One more.
My saying that just you have to tell them to the student this culture belongs to India, our culture is this. You not to stop whatever you like to do. Just you have to tell them this is not our culture, this is culture important to India, this is our culture, this is Gurung culture, this is Tibetan culture. We have to say that.
We have come again to the same topic, sir. That's better.
They don't know what they are doing. They don't know
They
themselves.
know it. They are enjoying. When they are enjoying, when they are.
No, do they know it is from India culture?
Why you need to tell that thing, sir?
Yeah, you have to tell
If
them.
it is good from where it comes
You
from.
have to tell them.
No,
in each and every food they are eating, this food came from India. If they are wearing clothes, this came from China. You have to know that. You have to tell them.
You are totally against India. Why, sir? India has done anything?
No. I am also against China as well. I am saying that
Let's be
wear our own product, eat our own as much as possible.
I think, sir, we talk enough about
Okay.
on it.
Okay.
So let's stop, sir. Let's stop.
Okay. Thank you for kind interview.